London welcomes you to Kirby Street, a student housing accommodation that is a perfect fit for students planning to pursue education with a pinch of adventure in. Kirby Street offers you options to choose from multiple studio apartments to adjust to. Students willing to live alone to get that extra focus in their studies can opt for any of them, as all of them provide you with a private space within the property. All the studio apartments welcome you with a comfortable double bed, a desk and a chair, a private kitchenette, and also a spacious wardrobe in your bedroom to keep your belongings safe and organized. That's not all. The Anglia Ruskin University London, London College of Contemporary Arts, and the well-renowned Fordham University London are just a short walk away from the residence. For a bad day at college, places like Barbican Conservatory, Somerset House, and the British Museum could be the best to give a happy ending to it. The locality is filled with top-rated pubs such as the Bleeding Heart Bar and Grill. And the One Ton Pub and rooms are ideal for you to hang out and cheer up with your friends. So don't think twice, seal the deal by visiting amberstudent.com now.